We're here at Dale's new place. Check it out. He's got a new tool chest here, completely full.
Never used.
Don't give anyone the address.
A new jack. We should jack up the car just because we can. Not because we need to.
I do that all the time.
What have we got here?
Recaro SR3s.
Checker.
With rails to suit.
Yeah, with rails. We're sick of making rails. We're not welding up anymore.
Never again are we making
We're
rails.
just buying rails.
If you guys remember, Russell from Cap Industries sent us out these fire extinguisher brackets, and we installed them in Jamin and Jacob's car, but we haven't done Dale's car yet. So when we install the new seats, we're also going to install the fire extinguisher and bracket, which should be pretty cool.
New tools. First usage. Feels good. Feels very good.
So the tools work.
The tools do work. Taking out the standard seat, step 1. Sore legs from laying floors yesterday. That's probably the first time I've taken a seat out without hitting the rails on the bumper, on the bloody
Doors.
on the yeah.
Let's take this
What
off
is this
while we-
cable doing?
That's the amp cable.
Why is it running to nothing?
It's not installed yet.
It's gonna be running to a fat sub. So which one's the driver's side? This one.
Whichever one you choose. Actually, no, because I've got rails on.
Should I put the less shagged one? Nah, I'll put the shagged one in the drivers. It's only gonna get more shagged, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is that the rule?
Yeah, pretty much.
Oh. Did you get me to just headbutt myself? Oh. Oh.
I probably did, but I wasn't even watching.
That's my favourite VB stubby holder. That is old school. And you guys just stretched it.
We have to take the seatbelt buckle off the old seats and transfer them over to the new seats. Which one? Which seat? Which seat's the driver's seat? Ryan's just trimming down one of these seatbelt bolts. So the seatbelts are... The seatbelt buckles are on. So let's put this seat in. It's ready to go in. Very exciting.
Hey.
You want to put it away?
Well, I was gonna use it.
Come on, we pack up all the tools at the end of the job.
Just might have to live with Jamin.
Do you have to start packing the dishes when you're halfway through
Dinner, yeah.
eating dinner?
Dale,
Yeah?
you left the heater on last night on like 40 degrees. I woke up this morning, it's
Oh, dude, I didn't even know it was on.
dying. Who turned it on then?
I turned it on yesterday, but fuck not. Nowhere near, like, that would have been 5 o'clock or
No,
something.
it was like on 22 degrees when I woke up. I was like, fuck.
No wonder, I woke up like, sweating my balls off.
I'm Oliver.
And I'm the plumber, Ryan.
Ryan the plumber.
Ryan the plumber, and Oliver the chippy.
The chippy.
Yeah.
Pissing and I turned it, and then this thing just like opened up.
What time is it?
It's time to go.
Oh, fuck, we gotta go.
Yeah.
Oh, actually, can you just look up quickly how far?
I don't know the address. Thanks. Oh. that feel, Gaza?
Oh, it feels good.
Shot back inside, Dale. Real
Yeah,
tight, real tight.
didn't get another thing. Taper. Need a rock forward. I'm gonna have to have this steering wheel high now. They actually sit
Lower.
I don't know if they sit lower or higher.
I think it's a fraction lower.
Maybe it's because they tilted up so much.
Can you see over the butt?
They sit nicer, that's for sure.
Don't roll into the. Did you see how close he
Oh,
was?
yeah.
I walked out, he goes, it's 3 o'clock in the morning. I was like,
Alright, Dale, give us one sentence.
No, you do it.
No, just tell us in one sentence how good it is.
It's really good.
no, it's you.
Yes, do that. How good is it, Dale?
It's good. That's all you need to know. Alright,
That looks way better.
let's go black toe.